Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about the JBL Go Essential and if it's actually worth buying and what are some important things that you need to know. So I'm going to be honest straight up from the beginning of the video that this product is amazing. It feels well built and I really like also the quality and design of it. It's like a simple in a minimalistic style. Then when we go further to the charging, now you can have about 5 hours of the like playtime. But there's one thing that I don't really like is that I'm going to show you right here is that it's not USB-C charging. So you are going to have the standard USB cable. I don't know if you see that. So this is the one thing that you need to know is that this is, wait a second. Yeah, you see right here. So it doesn't have USB-C. So this is another thing that you need to know that is like really important. So then the connection with my phone was simple and effective, and I got it connected in a matter of 10 seconds. And the bass is just amazing. So let me tell you that. So I don't know if you will be able to hear that right now, but let's try. Even when I'm going to play the songs on it,
do kopců sám, když se krátí, dech stromům na mezi zpívá. Bosí a s kytarou na zádech málo do noci zbývá.
It's like from the Czech Republic song. I absolutely love that song, so I just wanted to play it. And I don't know if you heard that, but it's loud, it's good, it feels good. And let me tell you that if you're thinking about purchasing it, just do it. I mean, I don't know what's the price where you're from. Also, it's waterproof, IPX7, so this is good. And it got about like up to $40 at the price point. So yeah, I just want to make this quick video that okay, important things to know is that it got about 5 hours of playtime, and then the charging is not with the USB-C cable but with the standard USB. The connection is smooth, the quality is clear, and for $40 that you just can grab it to the bag and go somewhere to the, I don't know where, beach, forest, wherever, or just listening at home, it got power. Now the one thing is that you can understand everything clearly, but the bass is good, but what I would say is that the quality of the words when you're going to listen to music would be like 8 out of 10. So that's something that I would just talk about it. So let me down below in the comments if you decided you want to try it out and purchase it or no. And yeah, thank you and have a great day and goodbye.